And developing now at 6, thousands of South Florida jobs on the line as American Airlines announces major furloughs.
The airline is blaming a steep decline in travel because of the pandemic. So let's get right over to Local 10 News reporter Ian Margol live at Miami International Airport. Ian.
And this could be a major problem here in Miami-Dade County. According to American Airlines, they employ 13,500 people here in the county, which makes them the third largest private employer in Miami-Dade. But still no word on how many people in our area here in South Florida will be losing their jobs. A major announcement on Tuesday as American Airlines says they will involuntarily furlough 19,000 employees as of October 1st.
That's on top of 12,000 people who took permanent buyouts who are never going to work there again, 11,000 who took voluntary furloughs. Add it all up, 40,000 fewer people are going to be working at this airline.
That 40,000 includes a loss of more than 15,000 flight attendants and about 3,500 pilots. And when you consider that American Airlines is the third largest private employer in Miami-Dade County, the change could be drastic here in South Florida.
Airlines are what you call a labor-intensive industry, an industry where it takes a whole lot of people, a whole lot of our friends and neighbors to provide that service to people who are flying.
In a letter to the airline's employees, CEO Doug Parker and President Robert Isom said the big drop-offs are because of a lack of demand and the expiration of the payroll support program that was part of the CARES Relief Act. Basically, now that workers are no longer protected, they say they have no choice but to let people go, saying, quote, "So as September 30th approaches, we have announced reductions in service, including the complete elimination of service to certain markets in early October. And today we are announcing the related reductions in our workforce." So we know in their letter to employees today, the president and CEO are asking their employees to push for the extension of that payroll support program because they say otherwise they won't be able to continue employing as many people, even though the airline has already gotten billions of dollars from the government. And just moments ago, we received word from Spirit Airlines. They say they have reached an agreement with the Pilots Association that prevents the need for them to do furloughs with pilots. They said they were going to have to do about 800 of those. They now need 0 furloughs for pilots. They were saying company-wide they expected 2,500 layoffs and furloughs, but they are expecting that number to be much, much lower than they first expected. A lot of questions still on this one. As soon as we get any more answers, of course, we will let you know. We are live at Miami International Airport. I'm Ian Margol, Local 10 News.
So many families affected by this. Thanks a lot there, Ian. And now to the numbers here. And Florida is reporting